Have you ever wondered, is there another Earth out there? A planet like ours, teeming with life, orbiting a distant star? For centuries, humans have gazed up at the night sky, dreaming of other worlds, but only recently have we begun to seriously search for planets beyond our own solar system, planets that could, in theory, be Earth's twin. They're called exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system. As of now, we've discovered over 5,000 of them, each unique in its own way. But what we're really interested in are planets located in the so-called habitable zone, a sweet spot where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist. This is crucial because, as far as we know, water is essential for life. Meet Kepler 186f. This Earth-sized exoplanet, located about 500 light-years away, was one of the first found in the habitable zone of its star. But just because it's in the right place, doesn't mean it's another Earth. Scientists look for three main things: the size of the planet, its atmosphere, and whether it has liquid water. Kepler 186f ticks the first box. But we don't know enough about its atmosphere yet to say for sure whether it's habitable. The hunt for Earth's twin is far from over. With new, powerful telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists are getting closer to identifying planets with Earth-like conditions. Think about it. In our galaxy alone, there are estimated to be billions of planets. Statistically, it's very likely that there are other Earth-like worlds out there. It's just a matter of time before we find them. So, is there another Earth out there? We don't know for sure, yet. But the search continues, and with each discovery, we get one step closer. Who knows, maybe one day we'll discover a planet where life thrives, just like on Earth. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing space facts.